Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to connect Discord to GitHub. If you want to connect your GitHub account to Discord, here's how. So open Discord and sign into your account. Next, click the gear icon at the bottom left to open user settings. Once you're on settings on the left side, scroll down and select connected apps. Now once you click connected apps, so right here, go to add a new connection, then click this R right here. So once you're here, you can add a connection. So let's look for GitHub icon or logo. So it's right here, click on it. Then sign into your GitHub account if prompted. So you can continue with or sign in with Google or continue with Apple. You can also type in your username or email address and password. So I'm going to continue with Google, then review the permissions. So I'm going to select my account. So they will send you an authentication code, then open your Gmail and copy paste that code and type it in here. And just wait for it to process. So authorize Discord, click authorize Discord. And that's it. So once connected, you can close this window. And once connected, your GitHub account will appear in your Discord profile. If you don't see it, you can close this window and reopen settings. Scroll down, go to connected apps, and you should see it in here. So here is my GitHub account. So it says right here, display on profile, or if you don't want to display it on your profile, you can toggle it off. And that's it. So your GitHub account is now linked to Discord, and if enabled, others can view it from your profile. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.